channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Today we're heading off to a still place with cars and coffee. And we got somebody rolling with us you haven't seen in the vlog for a while. Mr. Marty. He picked up a brand new Camaro. You can see him riding behind us. We will get up a closer look at the new car once we get to the coffee place. Let's hit the road. Got Marty's 2022 Camaro. Love the headlights. Love the color. It is beautiful. And we got Chop. We got Rob's Corvette. We brought the little mini bike out for today. Quiet turnout, but it is almost the middle of October and a lot of people have put the cars away already. This looks good. Gotta love a wagon. Brooks Infinity looks so good. Just looks incredible. Danny's TT, Subaru, Mustang, TT. M3. That looks good. Love it in all black. Brooks hood looks friggin' sick.
Yes. Yeah.
Looks so good.